Laser hair reduction, though a very common topic, but we'll discuss some common facts about laser hair reduction. Hi, I'm Dr. Shikha from Bliss Aesthetics, Ludhiana, and we will be discussing something and most of the things about laser hair reduction. Who are the candidates for laser hair reduction? All patients who have more of hair and notably hormone dependent hair, they are candidates for laser hair reduction. Though sometimes the increase in the hair is idiopathic and it could be hypertrichosis, those are also patients of laser hair reduction. Second fact about laser hair reduction is that it can be done both on the face and other body parts. Other body parts include all the body parts, including your underarms, bikini, and even your hands and feet. So the difference between the face and the body laser is body laser may require 5 to 6 sittings, and the face laser may require up to minimum of 7 to 8 sittings. Next is the cost of laser hair reduction. So if you count into the cost, if you see that you go for any other procedure, be it epilation or be it waxing, then you have to get it done repeatedly, say after a month. If it is for the arms, if it is for the legs, or even for the face. So the cost nearly totals to the same, because this for the body laser you have to go for 6 to 8 times, or I would say rather 5 to 6 times in a patient, and touch-ups may be required once a year or even as you wish. So in face laser you may require 6 to 8 sittings. So the cost is considerably less as compared to the other procedures like shaving, waxing, when you know that you have to do it for a lifetime. So the cost is less for our laser hair reduction. Then the fact about what I want to educate everyone is the machine or the system with which you are getting the laser hair reduction done. So there is US FDA approved machines which have the diode laser system, which is superior to some of the machines which are very common and cheap in the market. So in these kind of machines, they can treat all variety of hair. They can treat thin hair, they can treat thick hair, they can treat less pigmented, like most of you have some little brownish hue of the color of your hair, so these can be treated with these machines. Even treat thick black hair. So all the variety, all the spectrum of hair can be treated with these machines. So you must ask your doctor or the dermatologist where you are getting LHR, that which machine he or she is using, because the number of sittings and the type of results vary largely depending upon the device. Regarding the side effects of the laser hair reduction, there are no side effects of laser hair reduction. Though if done by inexperienced hands, it may cause burns on the skin and permanent darkening of the skin, which is called post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So it must always be done under the supervision of a trained person or a dermatologist. Then regarding the when to start laser hair reduction can be started at a young age of 15 to 16 years. And it can be done there is no upper limit, but one thing is there, gray hair, they're difficult to remove. So before your hair turns gray, then you must go for this procedure, because the active molecule which the laser targets is the melanin in your skin. If you have any queries or if you have any doubts, you can comment below, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel.